be able to go with it. And you must not deny it. I think there are one or two things we have to realize, and I'm glad that you raised this point. Islam is one, and the Islamic Ummah is a unity, not because we say it is a unity, but because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala refers to the Ummah as a single Ummah. Now, if there are any divisions among us, it is not the fault of Islam, it is the fault of the Muslims, of ourselves. But fortunately, let me say this. We do not have sects in Islam. There are no sects in Islam. In Islam, there are schools of thought. And these schools of thought, on all major issues, they arrive at more or less the same conclusion, ultimately. But at the same time, we have to realize this, that history is a crucible. History is totally neutral in the matter of assigning blame. If you do something which deserves to fail, history will impose a cost on you, irrespective of whether you are Muslim or not. Everything we do is recorded in history, not only recorded as a record, but recorded as a consequence, the consequence of which we cannot escape. So everything that is done by us as Muslims has its consequences for ourselves and our children and our future generations. There is no such thing as acting in isolation or escaping the consequences of our actions and our thoughts and our ideas, and most of our deviations from Islam. The fact of the matter is that we have been, whether Shia or Sunni, doesn't matter which school of thought you belong to, we have deviated from the straight path. One side deviated on one side and the other side deviated on the other side. And they both almost competed into taking themselves as far away as possible from the straight path. There came a time when, according to one school of thought, we have to sustain the political power of Islam until an indefinite future. Others on the other side took the view, no, we must hang on to the political power of Islam, even if it is morally wrong at that particular time to do so. These were two, if you like, poles within Islam, or among Muslims, if you like. The result is that both lost their way, lost their domination, lost their credibility became dominated by non-Muslims and became what we are today. The fact that the Muslim Ummah allowed itself to be overtaken and dominated by the kuffar is itself proof that we did not live according to Islam. If we had lived according to Islam, in all matters, particularly in matters of state and politics in Islam, no power outside Islam could have invaded and occupied and broken us up. So, in my view, whatever your theological difference, those theological differences, and many theological books have been written to justify theological differences. So the theology that divides us cannot really be part of Islam, because Islam unites us. Islam does not divide us. So any part of your theology, whether Shia or Sunni, it doesn't matter which part of the Ummah you belong to, if your theology divides you from other Muslims, then that part of your theology cannot be part of the mainstream of Islam. The litmus test of whether you are on the correct path is whether you are united or you are divided. In the last 10, 12 years, I have had the chance, of course, as you know, a Sunni Muslim, or born in a Sunni family. I have worked, lived, traveled, slept, eaten together, prayed together with my Shia brothers. Quite often, they have forgotten that I was a Sunni, because they started discussing with me things that they would not otherwise discuss in front of a Sunni. And I started talking to them about Shia issues that I would not otherwise talk in front of a Shia. Because we were engaged, or we are engaged, in a struggle against the enemies of Islam and to bring about the power of Islam all over the world. If your objectives are good together, then it does not belong which part of Islam you were born in, what was your family, and so on. You work together for the glory of Islam and for your own akhirah, and you will find that all these so-called theological differences disappear. There is a brigade who says, brother, get your aqidah right first of all. When the aqidah brigade comes along, you can think that these are the brothers who are going